Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will make a colored gluten-free bread. To dissolve into different bowls 2 grams of yeast in each bowl with a teaspoon of honey. Make 2 bowls with 150 grams of flour each, and in the first put the dissolved yeast, 100 grams of water and 25 grams of milk and knead. Then put the white of an egg, salt and oil and mix well and let it rise for 3 hours. In the second bowl of 150 grams of flour, you put the dissolved yeast, the spinach blended with 25 grams of milk and then 100 grams of water. Knead and add the white of an egg, oil and salt and leave to rise for 3 hours. After leavening, take the white dough and open it with your hands, opening the green dough on top. You have to roll the dough. I apologize for not filming the scene. After rolling, put in the mold and let rise for another 2 hours. After leavening, spread the bread with water and oil and put it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel and follow me on other social networks.